Very good morning, everyone. Welcome. It's a very pleasant Sunday morning here in northern Portugal. It's perfect for a short economy run. I'm going to see what kind of figure I can get. This is completely impromptu. I didn't prepare it. I have no idea where I'm going. Now, if it's okay with you, I'm going to put my sunglasses on because even though it's 9:30 in the morning, we're going to have this low sun for the rest of the day because we're not too far off the winter solstice, where days are at their shortest and the sun is at its lowest in the sky over the course of the day. I am now crossing the Rábida Bridge between Porto and Gaia. Space of about a minute, I saw a Mercedes and a biker nearly come to blows, and a biker blowing across a solid line as if it weren't there. God, I hope this is not symptomatic for the rest of the journey. To run over the lady. No, it's a lady. She's older. Coming to an area now near Porto. It's a seaside area, and a lot of the houses are only occupied during the summer, but then a lot of them also are like, not retirement homes, that's not the correct word, it's people who have retired and now live here because it's pleasant. So think of this as a very miniature, like microscopic sized Florida for those in the US. Or southern Spain for those in the UK. Yeah, even though it's Sunday morning, I get impatient people behind me. Oh, that was a very nice old Passat there. I like Passats, especially that generation of Passat. I think, what's that, B3, B4? Keep forgetting. We go down to the beach. Sunday morning. Can you all see that on the left? Bikers on the bike lane and runners. And the runners also like to go along the bike lane, and the bikers don't like when the runners go along the bike lane. So sometimes you do get some conflict. Oh my God! What was that? A Mercedes, a CLA in orange. There's an orange wrap. Yeah, it's not like they're exactly handsome cars without that kind of paint job. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to get much better than this 4.8. Enough. I think that's been a very, obviously what I can make out of this video. I mean, apart from that near scuffle between the biker and the Mercedes at the beginning, there really isn't much to see. So anyway, if you did make it this far, thanks very much for watching. Final figure 4.9, not cool. And yeah, I hope to see you in a future video. Like, subscribe, share, etc, etc. I bid you all farewell.